The 2016 launch of the Toyota CHR marked a significant turning point in the world of small family crossover SUVs. Instantly recognizable for its distinctive design, Toyota is set to continue this trend with an all-new second-generation CHR slated for release in 2024. The upcoming Toyota CHR will maintain its commitment to an all-hybrid engine lineup, which will include a longer-range plug-in hybrid option. However, it's important to note that, unlike competitors like the Kia Niro and Hyundai Kona, there are no immediate plans for a fully electric Toyota CHR. What's particularly noteworthy about the 2024 Toyota CHR is its European roots. This model is the result of European design, engineering, and manufacturing, a testament to Toyota's recognition of the European market's preference for family SUVs. Pricing and availability. Reservations for the 2024 Toyota CHR are set to open later in 2023, giving eager early adopters the opportunity to secure their place in line. As for pricing, the starting point for the new Toyota CHR is expected to be around £35,000 for hybrid models, while the plug-in hybrid version will likely start at approximately £40,000. Exterior and interior. The 2024 Toyota CHR continues to blur the lines between a concept car and a road-ready SUV. With a striking 5-door design, it occupies a unique position between the smaller Toyota Yaris Cross and the larger Toyota RAV4 in the lineup. At the front, the new Toyota CHR debuts the brand's upcoming face design, a feature destined for all future Toyota SUVs. This includes C-shaped LED headlights and a distinctive hammerhead shark aesthetic. Short front and rear overhangs, coupled with alloy wheels of up to 20 inches, contribute to the vehicle's sense of excitement. The rear of the new Toyota CHR boasts an angular rear window crowned by 2 bold winglets, designed for improved aerodynamics. Remarkably, the vehicle doesn't require a rear wiper, as Toyota has optimized airflow to keep the rear glass clear. Additionally, an LED light bar features an illuminated Toyota CHR logo at its center. Inside, the new Toyota CHR maintains a sporty ambience with a dashboard design that envelopes the driver, resembling wings. This sporting feel is further accentuated by multicolor ambient lighting, offering a wide range of up to 64 different colors. The driver benefits from a digital display of up to 12.3 inches, offering 3 preset layouts. In the center of the dashboard, the Toyota Smart Connect infotainment system offers a choice between an 8.0-inch or 12.3-inch touchscreen, both compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These screens provide a crisper and higher definition display and are complemented by over-the-air updates. Additionally, the Mighty Toyota smartphone app allows for remote access. Another notable feature is the optional Skyview panoramic glass roof, which lacks a conventional sunshade, reducing weight by 5 kilograms and increasing headroom by 30 millimeters. Instead, it features a specialized coating that regulates cabin temperature, ensuring comfort in both winter and summer while reducing the load on the climate control system. Fuel economy and performance. The 2024 Toyota CHR features a fully electrified engine lineup. Buyers can select from 1.8-liter or 2.0-liter hybrid engines, or a 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid with an extended electric-only range. The 2.0-liter plug-in hybrid, on the other hand, is equipped with a best-in-class system. With a sizable battery, likely around 13.6 kilowatt-hours, this model is expected to offer a robust electric-only range, approximately 50 miles. The plug-in hybrid also boasts impressive performance, with over 220 PS expected to provide rapid 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration in roughly 7.0 seconds. The 2024 Toyota CHR represents a bold step forward in the world of family crossover SUVs. Its striking design, European pedigree, enhanced interior quality, and electrified engine options are poised to make it a noteworthy contender in the competitive SUV market. Whether it's the dynamic exterior, the technology-infused cabin, or the environmentally conscious powertrains, the new Toyota CHR offers a compelling package for discerning buyers in 2024 and beyond. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe. See you in the next video.